Hi, I'm Michael Matthews.
And I'm Veronica Holland.
Today, we will be speaking to you about obesity. Now, whether they are working for the city council, the school district, a nonprofit organization, or in the private sector, society is faced with numerous and quite often difficult issues through the course of their career. One major issue that is linked to every aspect of society is obesity. Obesity has become a rampant and alarming health problem across the U.S. Across the country, 1 out of every 3 adults is obese, or nearly a staggering 78 million people. What are the factors that contribute to this startling statistic of obesity in America? Moreover, what policies or programs can help curb the obesity trend? Society is challenged with the task of reducing this epidemic by influencing the creation of policies and regulations that aim to improve overall health.
Obesity is not only a problem at the national and state level, it needs to be addressed at local levels as well. If the problem can first be resolved in local communities or in the workplace, healthier lifestyles can then spread to a much larger scale. A healthier workforce can undoubtedly lead to efficiency and effectiveness in the workplace, and can improve the economy as a whole. In order to attempt to solve the obesity epidemic, administrators must first explore the known causes of obesity in the U.S. After this is completed, society can research and help influence the development of public policies and programs to serve to reduce obesity in their communities.
A major contributor to obesity is the lack of exercise among all ages of Americans. As an individual increases the amount of the exercise in their daily lives, they are able to burn more calories, which helps to maintain a healthy body weight and prevent excess weight gain. This is important for a healthy blood flow, which reduces the risk of heart disease. The basic message regarding exercise is that Americans must become more active in order to live healthier, longer, happier lives, while also combating obesity.
As well as lack of exercise, Americans are also not eating the recommended daily amounts of fruits and vegetables. Instead, people rely on fast food as their main source of daily nutrition. On average, healthier foods tend to cost more than junk food, and it may not be financially responsible for a person to spend more money on healthy organic foods. Sadly, the individual's health will suffer because of this.
Now let's look at food deserts. A food desert is an area where residents are living without nearby access to healthy foods. This normally refers to poor urban neighborhoods or areas with limited access to supermarkets. First Lady of the United States, Michelle Obama, has been a huge advocate for abolishing food deserts. As part of her Let's Move campaign, Michelle Obama declared, "Our goal is ambitious. It is to eliminate food deserts in America completely in 7 years." Though Ms. Obama's goal is indeed ambitious, it could help fight the rising trend of obesity in the country. Lack of access to healthy foods is without a doubt a factor to an insignificant diet and may be a factor contributing to higher levels of obesity.
The stats prove that lack of exercise has a negative impact on overall health and thus contributes to an increase in obesity in the United States. There are numerous measures that can be taken to help reduce this trend. In particular, implementing wellness programs at work and increasing physical activities in school can help Americans live a healthier lifestyle and shift away from obesogenic habits. By addressing the causes of lack of exercise, poor nutrition, and food deserts, society can help end this epidemic.
It is essential that society, whether working at the government, nonprofit, or private sector, take action and help reverse this obesity trend throughout the country. By first researching and understanding the problem, administrators can then create ways to combat this horrible epidemic. Many large cities, such as New York City, have already implemented policies to help promote healthy living.
If the problem can first be resolved in local communities, healthier lifestyles can then spread at a much larger scale. Ending the obesity epidemic in our nation should unquestionably become a priority issue for administrators, and it is time that action is taken.
Thank you.